as you try to break the habit, I changed my to break the habit.
Ferrari has been on a roll with its recent mid-cycle refreshes. Last year at the Geneva Motor Show, the prancing horse brand unveiled the significantly updated replacement for the FF and named it the GTC4 Lusso, reviving a name last used on the 1971-72-365 GTC4. Now, at this year's Geneva show, the Maranellites lifted the silk on a revised version of their omnipotent F12 Berlinetta and rechristened it the 812 Superfast, utilizing a suffixed moniker that originated in a proto-muscle car Enzo concocted back in 1957 when he stuffed a big V12 into a car originally meant for a smaller one and baptized it the 4.9 Superfast. At least the capitalization and compound wording in this honorific finally makes sense, giving respite to the spell check programs worldwide. The name Superfast belongs to the Ferrari history, says Flavio Manzoni, head of the Ferrari Design Center. When we finish a project, we always create a list of names and this one just seemed to fit. Ferraris have always, or almost always, been lovely objects to behold, but it still amazes us that a brand that so often nails its design language the first time around finds means and actualization for improvement when it comes time to spruce things up. We were obsessed with the appearance of the first FF. But the heart-stopping GTC4 Lusso wiped our memory of that hatchback like some process out of a Philip K. Dick story.
Into